Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to download and use CodeBlocks as our primary IDE in this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step in a step-by-step process so that you will be ready to embark in the coding journey. Let's get started. By the way, class, we're going to use CodeBlocks as our primary IDE. So, punta na kayo sa site na to www.codeblocks.org and kailangan nating hanapin 'to. 20.3 mingw no setup.zip. So isasara ko muna 'tong presentation ko, then open ko lang yung browser natin. I-minimize ko lang 'yan, then open natin yung browser natin. So click ko lang 'to, then sabi ko nga, go to CodeBlocks. 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 Then enter lang natin 'yan. Then here, go to download. Then download the binary release. Then here we're going to choose the no setup. This one, guys. We're going to download the no setup installation. Ano ba yung pagkakaiba niyan? Ito kasi, guys, hindi na kailangan setup to. So mas maganda to in learning para you can save your file in the IDE, then lipat lang kayo sa ibang computer, pwede nyo na siya uli i-run. So, napakaganda niya. Pag nag-setup kasi, it will install the computer, so kailangan lagi yun ang gagamitin mo. Paano kung wala kang computer? So, mas maganda ito na lang gamitin natin. So, again, we're going to open this and we're going to unzip. Once we unzip, you're going to extract to. So, na-download ko na yan, guys. Ito na siya. So, ito ni-rename ko na rin siya ng CodeBlocks. So, ito na siya. Yan. So, after that, guys, all we have to do is we're going to click the CodeBlocks application. So, double-click lang natin yan. And the CodeBlocks will open. Then, leave everything as is. Yan, andyan dyan na. So, paano malalaman kung gumagana na ba yung CodeBlocks natin saka yung C? So, pwede tayo mag-create ng new project. So, create tayo ng new project. Then, choose console application. Console lang muna tayo, guys, kasi beginners pa lang naman eh. So, magsisimula pa lang tayo. So, we need to choose console application muna. So, later on, mag-advance tayo. Pero on this entire tutorial, console lang tayo. Then, click go. Then, next lang tayo. You need to skip this process next time. So, ngayon lang to. After this setup, hindi na natin kailangan gawin to. So, you need to click the skip this page next time. So, click lang natin yan. Imagine, guys, we're going to choose the C++, not the C. Huwag nyo nga kalimutan yan. Press the C++. Then, next lang tayo. Then, we need the project title. So, bago yon, go muna tayo sa, kailangan muna natin ng directory. So, sa akin, I created the directory in file D, then CPP, in C++ lecture, then lesson 1. Then, we're going to choose our root directory kung saan tayo gagawa. So, it should be the CPP lecture. Then, select folder. Then, project title. For example, lesson 1. Lesson 1. Then, click next. Then, wala na kayong gagawin dito. So, fix na dapat yan. Wala na kayong gagawin dyan. Kung gusto nyo makita, pwede nyo tingnan, pero wala na kayong gagawin. Automatic na yan, guys. So, finish lang natin. So, paano natin malalaman kung tama yung installation natin, guys, ng IDE natin? All you have to do is go to the resources, then click the main CPP. So, makikita nyo dito, guys. So meron na siya. Meron na siyang include IO stream using namespace std. On the next tutorial natin, guys, i-explain ko lang to. Ang kailangan lang mapagana natin to. Nakikita nyo rito is cout, hello world, then end L or end of line, something like that. Then return to 0. Explain ko yan, explain ko yung code na to line by line later siguro. So ngayon kailangan lang natin ma-sure kung gumagana ba yung IDE natin. Then after this, we're going to click this one guys. So build and run. So click lang natin yan. Dapat pag click natin yan, lalabas yung console natin at sasabihin niya, hello world. So click lang natin yan. Ayun, lumabas siya. Okay, hello world. Diba nakita nyo? Tama, gumagana siya. Kung papalitan natin yan, kumusta po kayo? Kumusta po kayo? Then, ira-run natin uli. Lagi natin ira-run, build and run. Then, nakita po dyan, kumusta po kayo. So, ibig sabihin guys, gumagana yung application natin. So, now that you have CodeBlocks up and running, so we can dive into the world of C++ programming with confidence. So, next time uli, next video natin guys, siguro bukas, so mag-start na tayo ng coding, step by step lang. Explain ko muna sa inyo ano ba yung nakikita nyo na ganyan. Napakaganda to guys, samahan nyo ako. Thank you very much.